Ustedes nunca maduraron ni a puya ni carburo, por eso se quedaron siendo duros. Lo que yo facturo en 24 horas tirando el cálculo no lo vale tu presente, pasado ni futuro. Tengo la agenda llena hasta el 2040, dividieron por dinero y después lo unió la renta. El banco no tiene cash.
So as I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna try to implement these into the videos. I think it's nice. Not just I'm gonna be recording my videos and vlogs on this camera, other than, you know, using my phone all the time. That came to an end, and I think it'll be better. So it's gonna be the new vlogging camera as well. So to any one of you that are new in or watching this POV videos, because I know a lot of guys watch Subaru or in general POV videos, this is my 2.5 RS Impreza. This is not an STI or WRX. Only has unequal length headers and a catback exhaust. Very cheap ass exhaust. I must change that eventually. Yeah, this shit's not that fast. It just sounds very loud, and that's it. And it's an automatic. It's my girlfriend's hair tie. Yeah, it's an automatic, so I normally just drive my hands on the gear shift. I know it's not manual, so don't judge me. And yeah, that check engine light that you see right there, don't mind that either, because that's for my catalytic converters, so that's why that's there. But sooner or later that's gonna go to junk, don't worry. But yeah, this is the POV. Hopefully you guys like this shit, and hopefully, you know, you come back for more, because I'm gonna make a bunch as possible, even up to tollgate racing. If you guys into tollgate racing, that's gonna be coming in too, so stay tuned for that shit. Shit's so tiring for my mouth.